sounds, but eardrums hear vibrations. The sea turtle's enemies are people because pollution and fish nets kill sea turtles. And their enemies are coyotes, foxes, birds, crabs, and sharks. Eat sea turtles and their eggs. Sea turtles swim with flippers in shallow water. They eat seaweed, crabs, fish, and jellyfish. They live in the oceans and the beaches. Turtles have hard shells, and it has a small head and four. You don't get why that fell off. Flippers, 4 legs. Some interesting facts are girl turtles lay about 100 eggs in the nest. They are fast swimmers.
Good job. Good job, Brady.
Okay. This is when I went to the turtle farm. And this is when I was on the cruise. And when we were gone, when we came back, somebody made this turtle of a sea turtle. And this one's like blowing a little bubble. I can't see. What about the black one? What is that one doing?
The one above that, I think they're talking about.
This one.
No,
The one above that one.
is that a fossil?
Yeah. It's a little sea turtle.
And what's the one that your mom and your sister-in-law did? Was that at the turtle farm? Cool, so you got to touch them?
Yes.
Okay, if you have a question for Lindsay about her animal, the sea turtle, raise your hand and she will call on you. Did Lindsay correctly?
I said, I almost extinct. No.
Good question. Really good.
Listen over
Cameron, do you have a question?
Oh, I have a question. Do they eat anything?
How big are their eggs?
Like 2 inches or so.
That's like as big as 2 quarters.
Cameron, what was your question?
Do they eat anything? Yes. They eat seaweed, crabs, fish, and jellyfish. What was that one? The last one?
Jellyfish.
Another question, Gracie? How do they communicate?
They don't really make sounds, but something covers their ears and they hear vibrations.
And they hear vibrations. Good question, though. You must have heard that when she was reading it. Excellent. Any other questions? I have a question. What animal group do sea turtles belong to? The reptile group. Did we have that under there?
Yes.
We did. Yeah, we had it.
Oh,
We had a tortoise and a turtle.
I'm the one who put them
Good. All right, let's give Lindsay 3 compliments about her report or poster, something that you liked about it.
I like everything. I like that picture there with the bubbles.
Yeah,
that's
funny.
That's in Carmen. I like that bacon. Cameron? I like the sea turtle that you drew.
Mm-hmm.
I like the sea turtle pillow. I have one in my book bag.
Oh, you do? Do you want to share it? Would you like to share it?
Oh, I have another one.
All right, hang on. She's going to get one.
Another favorite.
What is that, baby?
Turtle. This is my sea turtle. I got it from Florida, I think, and I bought it, and I sleep with it every night. And I forget.
Lindsay, when a turtle gets scared, what do they do?
I am a chick. That's what we do.
Did it say anything when you were reading about it? Like if an enemy's coming or a predator, do they pull themselves in their shell? No, not really.
What do they do? Swim fast.
What colors are they? Did it say anything about the colors?
I know.
No.
Just that.
greenish. They kind of blend in. Does anyone remember what that's called when an animal blends in? Camouflage. Good job. That's an excellent science word. Okay, I'm sorry, Isaac. You were going to give Lindsay a compliment.
I like this picture, and that picture, and that picture.
Lindsay, where is the animal farm? I mean, the sea turtle farm.
Took a bus
Mhm.
to only sold turtles and has a
That would be a neat place to go, maybe with your parents this summer, like a day trip to go to the
My
farm.
thing is.
Okay, all right, let's give Lindsay a big round of applause. That was excellent.